here I am, Thompsons Creek Dam, just outside Lithgow. I'm hitting the dam with the Tassie Devils today, and hopefully I'll get myself some trout. It's early morning, I don't know, around about 7 o'clock. I've been fishing this dam for a while now, been a fair few years. It's not the easiest dam to get a trout, but it's sure got some big ones. I've moved up a bit from where I was before. The fog's starting to get a bit thicker now. There's a little bit of a breeze and it's blown it across. I like casting these lures on a 45-degree angle, even close to the bank. So the Tassie Devil stays a little bit closer to the bank and stays in the strike zone a lot longer. And if I walk down a little bit, I can keep it there a bit longer. I don't have to reel as fast. Well, that's my method anyway. And here we are. I'm on already. You ripper. It was only about 3 or 4 meters off the bank. Just what I was saying before. Feels alright. He's pulling pretty good now. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Looks like a 4-pounder. Rainbow, yeah. Oh yeah. He's got some fight. Oh, he's bloody nice.
Oh, fucking beauty.
The pink Tassie does it again, eh? Oh, she's nice. Got nice pink.
No.
Take a few snapshots for the memorabilia. So I've moved back where I started from. I wasn't getting anything, so I thought I'd come back, give this side a go again. I had a fly fisherman come up to me the other week when I was fishing here, and he said to me, "You're using lure, mate?" And I said, "Yeah." And he goes, "I haven't seen anyone catch a trout here with a lure." I said to him, "I've seen many people catch trout here with the Tassie Devils. That's all I use here, Tassie Devil." I'm just going to get up on these rocks here a bit, get a bit more height. I might be able to get some more distance. The clouds are starting to build up now. It looks like it might start raining. Oh yeah, I'm on again. Yeah, another good one. not bad.
He's still on. It's only a small one. Huh? Yeah, it's legal.